After building a $22 million Solana SOL portfolio, this investor's new buy could make him even more money and faster. Initially speculating early on Solana SOL, a well-known crypto investor who made a $22 million fortune now turns his attention to what he thinks is an even more sizable and quick prospect, Rexas Finance RXS. His action indicates a strong belief that RXS may surpass Solana's explosive climb in both speed and magnitude. Solana solved Ethereum's scaling problems, providing lightning-fast transactions and minimal fees, making it a top-tier cryptocurrency. But Rexas Finance presents a different paradigm. Real-world asset RWA tokenization unlocks trillions of unrealized value across real estate, commodities, and other physical assets. Rexas Finance RXS, the investor's new buy that could outperform Solana. Solana's creative proof of historical consensus, which allowed quick and cheap transactions, drove her ascent from under $1 to an all-time high of $259 in 2021. But today, investors see a more profitable frontier in Rexas Finance. Unlike Solana, which concentrates on decentralized apps and NFTs, RXS is pioneering real-world asset tokenization, bringing illiquid markets onto the blockchain and making high-value assets available to ordinary investors. Rexas Finance democratizes investing opportunities hitherto reserved for institutional players and ultra-high-net-worth people by bridging the gap between blockchain and tangible assets. Thanks to its flawless process for fractional ownership of real estate, art, and other commodities, RXS is positioned to attract crypto enthusiasts and traditional investors looking for a more efficient way to trade real-world assets. The investor who made a five-figure Solana investment into a $22 million portfolio thinks RXS might yield even more in a shorter period. Solana took 4 years to peak, while Rexas Finance's RWA-based approach targets trillion-dollar sectors ready for disruption, providing a shorter adoption curve. Rexas Finance, in its pre-sale phase, has raised over $47.7 million, selling over 458.6 million RXS tokens as of early 2025. Before ever going on the open market, its price jumped from 3 cents in the first stage to 20 cents in the last phase, a 566% rise. Analysts project an enormous surge driven by exchange listings and the growing demand for RWA tokenization upon introduction on June 19, 2025, at 25 cents. Unlike most cryptocurrencies, which struggle to acquire momentum following launch, Rexas Finance already enjoys substantial demand from early adopters, venture capitalists, and blockchain whales. One high-net-worth investor who amassed Solana's fortune supports Rexas Finance's ability to dominate the tokenized asset market. By year-end, price estimates indicate RXS might reach between $10 and $50, possibly providing a 20,000% ROI, far higher than Solana's 10,858% increase over 4 years. Should Rexas Finance meet a fraction of this goal, it would provide life-changing rewards within months rather than years. What sets Rexas Finance apart? Beyond its great investing possibilities, Rexas Finance features a modern ecosystem for security, accessibility, and practical use. Unlike conventional cryptocurrencies, which depend on speculative demand, RXS presents practical uses that make it a long-term investment in blockchain finance. The Rexas ecosystem is unique because it lets users build and distribute tokenized assets using a token builder in minutes. This application streamlines the process for companies and people trying to bring actual assets onto the blockchain. The Quick Mint bot makes tokenizing assets straightforward and even more uncomplicated for non-technical users. Using automation, RXS is reducing the entrance obstacles to blockchain acceptance and drawing a larger audience than only crypto traders. Security is a significant issue in the crypto space. Thus, Rexas Finance has taken action to guarantee top-notch dependability. Certic, one of the most reputable blockchain security companies, has examined its smart contracts. This action dramatically lowers the likelihood of hackers and exploits afflicting other cryptocurrency initiatives. Rexas Finance has started a $1 million donation, awarding $50,000 in RXS to 20 lucky winners to inspire community involvement and reward early supporters. This guarantees a general token distribution before formal exchange dates, strengthening its community. Conclusion: Rexas Finance presents a chance for an investor who turned a small Solana investment into a $22 million portfolio to match and surpass past performance. Leveraging the next blockchain evolution, RWA tokenization, he hopes to create much more wealth in a quarter of the time it took Solana to peak. RXS is looking to be among the most exciting investments in 2025. With the pre-sale pricing still at 20 cents and the expected 100x-250x increase post-launch. Should history repeat itself, this investor's fresh investment might revolutionize the generation of crypto money and surpass even the fabled Solana returns. Please like, comment, share and follow this channel for more information or updates on news crypto.